Narrated Ibn Umar, Allah's Messenger, said, Islam is based on the following 5 principles. 1. To testify that none has the right to be worshipped but Allah and Muhammad is Allah's messenger. 2. To offer the compulsory congregational prayers dutifully and perfectly. 3. To pay zakat, i.e. obligatory charity. 4. To perform hajj, i.e. pilgrimage to Mecca. 5. To observe fast during the month of Ramadan. Narrated Abu Huraira, the Prophet said, Faith, belief, consists of more than 60 branches, i.e. parts, and haya. This term, haya, covers a large number of concepts which are to be taken together. Amongst them are self-respect, modesty, bashfulness, and scruple, etc., is a part of faith. Narrated Abdullah bin Amr, the Prophet said, A Muslim is the one who avoids harming Muslims with his tongue and hands. And a Muhajir, emigrant, is the one who gives up, abandons, all what Allah has forbidden. Narrated Abu Musa. Some people asked Allah's Messenger, whose Islam is the best? i.e., who is a very good Muslim? He replied, one who avoids harming the Muslims with his tongue and hands. Narrated Abdullah bin Amr. A man asked the Prophet, what sort of deeds or what qualities of Islam are good? The Prophet replied, to feed the poor and greet those whom you know and those whom you do not know. See Hadith number 27. Narrated Anas. The Prophet said, none of you will have faith till he wishes for his Muslim brother what he likes for himself. Narrated Abu Huraira. Allah's Messenger said, by him in whose hands my life is, none of you will have faith till he loves me more than his father and his children. Narrated Anas. The Prophet said, none of you will have faith till he loves me more than his father, his children, and all mankind. Narrated Anas. The Prophet said, whoever possesses the following 3 qualities will have the sweetness, delight, of faith. 1. The one to whom Allah and his apostle becomes dearer than anything else. 2. Who loves a person and he loves him only for Allah's sake. 3. Who hates to revert to atheism, disbelief, as he hates to be thrown into the fire. Narrated Anas. The Prophet said, love for the Ansar is a sign of faith and hatred for the Ansar is a sign of hypocrisy. Narrated Ubadah bin As-Samit, who took part in the Battle of Badr and was a Nakib, a person heading a group of 6 persons. On the night of Al-Aqaba pledge, Allah's apostle said while a group of his companions were around him, swear allegiance to me for 1. Not to join anything in worship along with Allah. 2. Not to steal. 3. Not to commit illegal sexual intercourse. 4. Not to kill your children. 5. Not to accuse an innocent person, to spread such an accusation among people. 6. Not to be disobedient, when ordered, to do good deed. The Prophet added, whoever among you fulfills his pledge will be rewarded by Allah. And whoever indulges in any one of them, except the ascription of partners to Allah, and gets the punishment in this world, that punishment will be an expiation for that sin. And if one indulges in any of them, and Allah conceals his sin, it is up to him to forgive or punish him in the hereafter. Ubadah bin As-Samit added, so we swore allegiance for these points to Allah's apostle. Narrated Abu Said al-Khudri. Allah's Messenger said, a time will soon come when the best property of a Muslim will be sheep which he will take on the top of mountains and the places of rainfall, valleys, so as to flee with his religion from afflictions. Narrated Aisha. Whenever Allah's Messenger ordered the Muslims to do something, he used to order them deeds which were easy for them to do, according to their strength and endurance. They said, O Allah's Messenger, we are not like you. Allah has forgiven your past and future sins. So Allah's apostle became angry, and it was apparent on his face. He said, I am the most Allah-fearing and know Allah better than all of you do.